Hello my colleagues, and this is a new math lesson. Factorization by taking out the HCF. But what does this mean? The HCF is an acronym which stands for the highest common factor. This factor may be prime or composite, and this was first to be revealed by the Greek scientist Euclid of Alexandria. What if I tell you find the prime factors of 180? You start by the prime factorization, you already know it, like dividing by 2, by 2, by 3, by 3, and by 5. Thus, you found it. 180 equals 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 5. The same if I am asking about 240. You start dividing 2 by 2 by 2 by 2 by 3 and by 5. Thus you found it equals 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. The new thing is find the common factors of 180 and 240 together. So you have to use the knowledge you have. You know that 180 have a prime factor. Have prime factors, yes, and 240 have all prime factors. So you start canceling out the similar prime factors in the both cases, like 2 and 2 and 3 and 5. So the remainder is 3 and 4. So 180 equals to over 240 equals 3 over 4 multiplied by 60 over 60, which actually equals 1. But 60 here is a result of multiplication the whole prime numbers. So 60 is called the HCF, or the highest common factor. What if it wasn't a number, it was an algebraic term? So in case of algebraic terms, I do the same thing. I first have to simplify this term, like 5x to the power 2 plus 15x to the power 3 equals to 5 times x plus 3 times 5 times x times x times x. So it's clear now that 5 times x is called the highest common factor. So I start by taking out the highest common factor and multiply it with the result, which equals 1 for the first term and 3x for the second term. So 5x to the power 2 multiplied by 1 plus 3x is similar to 5x power 2 plus 15x to the power 3. We reached the end of our lesson, so stay tuned and wait for us.